Hello, good night. My name is Mildred Vanessa Gomez, and I will tell you a little about my work and social routines in 2020. English Tourist Work Level 4. I was studying in 2020 and was starting the third week of 8th grade and middle school. I had to get up at 4:40 a.m. to get ready and arrive at school on time. My friends told me that they were excited to have new experience during the school year, but unfortunately that wasn't possible. I always wanted to improve my grades and work even harder in math because my teacher told me I needed to practice more. On the other hand, I wanted to learn about video editing in some applications and grow. As time went by, I became more and more inspired by another hobby. Thank you very much.